A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. So, here we are with a new chapter of your book, Chapter 8 Simple Equations. Now, before we begin, I would like to recall the difference between equations and expressions. Just now, we finished Chapter 7, that was called Algebraic Expressions. So, in expressions, we were not getting an equal to sign. If expression has equal to sign and something on left hand side and right hand side, that is called a simple equation. Let us see the introduction. We have studied that an algebraic expression contains some variables and constants. The mathematical statements can be written in form of algebraic expressions. We have already done this. So see some examples. 5 less than twice a number x can be written as 2x minus 5. 6 more than a number x is 13 can be written as x plus 6 is equal to 13. A number y divided by 7 gives 5 can be written as y by 7 equals to 5. In each of the above statements, the symbol equal to appears. A statement involving equal to symbol is called an statement of equality. Okay. Equation is the statement of equality which involves one or more variables is called an equation. Now we have several kind of equations and they have two sides, left hand side and right hand side. Linear equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. Some examples can be 2x plus 4 equals to 6, 2z plus 5 by 2 equals to 37 by 2. Here if you see the variable is z and z, the power of z is 1, that's why it is called linear equation. And you have already studied how to find the value of the variable in linear equation. Okay, for example, here it is written as 2x plus 4 equals to 6. When you will solve it, you can write it as 2x is equal to 6 minus 4. So 2x equals to 2 and x equals to 1. You will get the value of x. You have done this kind of equations where you are finding the value of unknown variable. So when you get the value of unknown variable, that is called the root of the equation. Please remember the word root. Root means the value of the variable. Now we have several methods for finding the root of the equation. One method is called as trial and error method. Trial and error means you will keep on putting some values of x till it satisfies the equation. See one example. Find the solution of equation 2x plus 3 equals to 13 by trial and error method. Trial and error method means we will be using different values for x, as we will be putting x equals to 0, x equals to 1, x equals to 2 and so on till it satisfies the equation, till your left hand side and right hand side becomes equal. If you see here, for x equals to 0, the value of the equation is not equal to 13. For x equals to 1 also it is not equal to 13. For x equals to 2 also it's not equal to 13. At x equals to 5, we are getting the value of the equation as 13. So what is the root of this equation? The value of x which satisfies the equation is the root. So x is equal to 5, or you can say that 5 is the root of the equation. Now the systematic method has several laws. Laws means when we move the value from one side to other side, it changes, isn't it? We have studied. See one example here, x minus 2 equals to 7. So if I write x minus 2 equals to 7, Now I am taking my minus 2 on opposite side, so that will be x equals to what? 7. Now your minus 2, when it will move on other side, it will become a plus 2. So x equals to 9 is the root of the equation. These all rules are only there which we have already discussed. You may read your book to understand them. They are very simple. So let us begin exercise 8.1. Few questions, and some of them, see, we have done all these things earlier also, because you are not studying these equations for the first time. So I am not going in very much detail. Okay, let us see the first question. Write following statements as an equation. So statement will be given, you have to write the equation. 5 subtracted from 3 times a number x gives 7. So 3 times x is 3x. 5 subtracted means minus 5 gives 7 is equal to 7. Okay. Question number 2 is check for the given value in brackets. So you will get one equation and you will get a value of x. You have to find whether x is satisfying the equation or not. So question number 2, subpart second, 3x plus 9 is equal to 8. Putting the value of x as minus 1. 3 into minus 1 plus 9 is 8. 3 into minus 1 is a minus 3, plus 9 is 8, and then 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 is not equal to 8, so this is not the root of the equation. Okay, this equal to sign with the line is read as not equal to. Question number 3 is solved by trial and error method. Just now we discussed trial and error method will be keep on putting some values of x. Generally we start from x as 1, x can be 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on till we get the equation satisfied on both the sides. So subpart 3 says 4x minus 1 is 7. So let us say we are taking the value of x as 1. So for x equals to 1, we'll get the value on left hand side as 3 and right hand side as 7. So they are not equal. Fine. For x equals to 2, we are getting 7 equals to 7, which is satisfying the condition. So we have done the checking. Question number 4, write the statement for given equation. Some equations will be given and you have to write the statements. So part 4 is 7p plus 7 is 70. So I can write the statement as 7 added to 7 times p gives 70. Question number 5 says solve the following equation and check the result. So first you will find the value of x, then you will put the value of x in the given equation and you have to see whether it is satisfying or not. Subpart 5th I am doing 3 in the bracket x plus 7 is 42. So 3 into x plus 3 into 7, which will give you a 21, equals to 42. Now 3x, my plus 21 is going on another side and it is becoming a minus 21. So 3x is 21 and x is 21 divided by 3, which is a 7. Okay. So actually 7 is called what? 7 is the root of the equation. And to check, we will put x equals to 7. Let us see 3 in the bracket 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 is 14 and 14 into 3 is 42. So yes, our answer is correct. Fine. Same way I am doing question number 15, subpart 15th also. Half 1 by 2 minus 3x is 0. When you will solve for x, you will get the value of x as 1 by 6. And to check, we will put the value of x as 1 by 6 and you will see that it is satisfying the equation. So our answer is correct. So this was all your classwork. Your today's homework is from question number 1. Your homework are first, second and fifth subpart. From question number 2, subpart 3. Question number 3, subpart 5. Question number 4, subpart 3. And from question number 5, 8 and 9 you can do. Okay. That was all for today, my dear children. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.